hear me because I'm at work. But today I'm doing a water pump on a Ford Mustang. I think it's a 2014. But basically I'm gonna run through how y'all do water pump. So this sits right here with the intake thing. Take that off. This comes off. That comes off. I have to drain the fluid, but I'm not draining it. I'm using the machine to suck it out because I don't feel like draining it. I'm being lazy. So I'm gonna be draining the coolant out of it, and then I'm gonna get to taking the water pump off. So let me drain the coolant. After I'm finished draining the coolant, I'll come out back. That's what the machine does, it sucks all the coolant out of it. Pretty much. I'm pretty sure y'all won't have this machine on. I could just take the coolant hose off and tools you need: pliers, ratchet, extension, and an 8mm. That's all you need to take it out. So I'm gonna take that off. I can't do it with one hand. So you're gonna take this hole, that's off, this hole off, this hole off. And that's it for the hoses. Give me a second. Let's get those off. That gotta come off. I broke the lip under there. So let's took that off. Now I'm gonna use a socket to take these 8mm off. Once I take those off, then I'll be right back with y'all. So yeah, because I don't have a way to hold it on. So 8mm here, 8mm here, 8mm here, one down there, one there. All the 8mm on the water pump basically. So yeah, I'll be right back in this off. Alright, if y'all take the bolts out correctly, it should be 9 bolts in total that comes out. And the motherfucker will be able to move. Alright. Alright, so now this is the problem. This water pipe right here. You can't pull it. If you pull it, you snag the one in the back, and then it's hard as shit to go in. So you're gonna need to get a way to like pry it off a little bit. Release the rubber on it, or the gasket anyways. So let me get a pry bar, and I might need somebody to help me to pry it out, so I don't pull that pipe out. So I'll be right back. But if y'all took all the bolts out, then this neck gotta come off for you to get the last 2 bolts for the water pump, which is right there and right there. Let me go ahead and show you this. I'm gonna try with my 2 hands, see if I can use my 2 hands to get it off. If I could, then we'll do that. Alright, I was able to use my 2 hands and get it off. There's a thermostat house. Now, that's the pump. Alright, just gotta take these 2 bolts out and the water pump comes off. Right here. Wish I had the way to like get a brand new pulley. The reason why I didn't show you the steps to the pulley, that's because that's how the pump is supposed to look. Like this. I need to figure out a way to get better auto quality now, because my audio is sucking. But 2, so already one on the pump. So alright guys, let me clean the air, prep it in, and get everything ready to go down. I gotta lift the car up and put some stuff in the floor because all that coolant they just wasted. Alright, so it's time for me to put it back in. I made a little contraption to hold the camera, so hopefully it works. Back on. I don't know my co-worker put the bolts at, so I'm gonna get those from him. But yeah, that's how you take the water from the tin. Yeah, this little part off. So I'm gonna put the pulley on. I gotta get some charge on my phone. I only got 10%. Yeah, I'm using my phone to record. So once I get the pulley back on, I'll find the bolts. I'm gonna get a little bit of charge. Then I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna show you the finished part. Pulley is back in. Now we just gotta put the belt on. See if I can figure this out. Oh, by the way, you're gonna need a 15-foot pulley, which is my flashing on. It's a pulley right here that the belt goes around. The bolt is a 15. You should know that because you got to take the pulley off to take the water pump off. So I'm about to put the belt back on, and that's it. The job is done. So that's how easy it is to do a water pump on a Mustang. Oh yeah, don't forget to bleed the system after you finish anyways, because it's just gonna overheat again if you don't bleed the system correctly. But yeah, that's all you gotta do, man. It's pretty much done.